talking to you the last few weeks about transition dressing. How do we kind of get spring forward in what we're wearing? And today, you know what? My head is in the clouds. My head is with vacay, and I want to talk to you about kind of a little capsule packing, what to wear on vacation. If you live in warm weather, okay, well, aren't you blessed? And this is something you can wear out the door. But let's start with this first outfit. This is really like date night. I'm going out to dinner while I'm on vacation, and really the star, I think, of out to dinner in warm weather is white denim. So I want to tell you about these cuts. This is the Stella boot, and I saw this in the store the other day and could not wait to try it on. Between the fit and also just white denim can be tough, right? And this one, I want to tell you, as a curvy gal, especially a gal that carries my curves in my hips and in my thighs, this has really good weight to it, to where I really feel like I've got great coverage. So again, the Stella boot, I'm in a size 12. I would say, listen, if you don't carry your weight in your thighs, kind of in this area, I would go true to size. I think curvy gals, it's normal for us to size up in white denim, right? That's a normal thing when I style people. So I sized up to a 12 from my true cut size and a 10, and I feel good about it. So that's really the start. There's no deconstruction through these at all. It's nice and it's clean. There's a very simple raw hem at the bottom. If you are petite, this is a savior because you can cut this wherever you want. Again, for reference, I'm 5'7", and with a little heel, this is perfect. I can also pull it off with a flat, but if you are significantly shorter than 5'7", what a great opportunity to just create your own little hem where you need it. Let's talk about this fun blouse. Nothing says, you know, headed out on vacay like a little splash of coral. This color is called Sun Kissed, and this is by Sanctuary. Such a beautiful little blouse. You've got really kind of this drop sleeve, so you've got this fun volume to play with here. I'll show you what this looks like. Just a nice little drop, so to give it a little shape, I just did a little front tuck. You could do a full tuck for sure, but I love kind of keeping that blousey effect a little bit for me, especially with the white denim, makes me feel a little bit more confident. And then the fun thing about this blouse, if you really want to go kind of like a little sexy date night, that goes off the shoulder really, really well. And then that really plays up your jewelry. So I love spring jewelry, just kind of popping your outfit, especially when there's just a hint of color. So this necklace is new. It's a 3-strand, all in one. It's called the Rory. It's in gold, and then there's just a little bit of coral and turquoise, very, very neutral, muted, I should say. Very muted coral and turquoise through here, so pretty. And then this little earring is called Mabel, and it is a brushed gold, and then you've got a little bit of khaki kind of through the strand there. And it just so fun, especially if you're gonna do something off the shoulder. It just gives you a lot of play, you know, with your accessories. And then this is a little heel by Dolce Vita. It's called the Amino Heeled Slide, and let me show it to you because it's got great detail. This color is called Cafe. It is beautiful. I can't wait to add this to my wardrobe for spring and summer. It will go with everything. Wonderful stacked heels, so you get a little bit of height in this boot cut denim, but still super, super comfortable. And then great studding through here. Just great shoe. I love this. Okay, what else do we need on vacay packing list? I would highly recommend this Evereve midi dress. I'm nervous because it's black that all the detail won't show up, so I grabbed another one for you. It's called the Kiara. It's by Evereve, so it's our own private label. The wash, if you can look at it, it's washed out. It's called Snow Washed Black. So it's really kind of got a fun, almost a pattern to it as you do all the washing. And then it has a drawstring here at the waist. You can see how it's a little bit more washed out around there. And then again, it is a midi length. So really nice under the knee. You're super, super comfortable, but it feels a little bit more dressed up. And a couple things just to tell you about this dress. I love that it creates a waist. So I am more of that rectangle. So I love when we get these dresses that are easy, knit, casual, but give me a little bit of a drawstring so I can decide, you know, where I want that waistline. So I love that. I love the midi length for another reason for vacay travel, because it's a great outfit out on the plane, because you can layer it up with a jean jacket. I'll tell you about this jacket in a second. You could do your tennis shoes, your sneakers with it. So like the toes are warm if you're like me and you're flying out of Chicago, but you're gonna land in a warm weather destination. If you need to update a denim jacket, I would highly recommend this Paige. It's the Rowan jean jacket. It's just a great medium wash. I love the length. I love the raw hem at the bottom. This is our little crescent pendant necklace. This is in silver. And then, you know, I love our earring packs. This is a new little earring pack, silver. I have on this little hoop right here. So these are just really little, kind of dainty, fun, easy to throw in the suitcase and pack and have multiple options. So I would highly recommend that. And then you cannot go wrong with the fashion and the function of a Burke. So this is the classic Arizona, just in silver. She's super, super fun. Okay, next look, it is beach day. Nothing says beach day like putting yourself in a fun little Parker short. We know her, we love her. This is the Parker short by A. Goldie. We've brought it back again. I prefer the long, so this is the Parker long. The color wash is called Swap Meet. Super fun, just a little bit of a lighter medium wash, little bit of deconstruction, raw hem, just great fit. I'm in a 31. You know, typically in these Parker shorts, I do size up. Makes me feel a little bit more comfortable, gives me a little bit more length in the short, totally up to you. The base here is the Maya Tank. It is Admiral, I think is the color, which is just a really great navy. And then this is just a lovely little Harriet Isles wrap. I think she's called the Aubrey, and the color is mustard. Really, really great print, but again, just super, super easy. If it's super sunny and you're hot, you can take this little layer off, but easy peasy to wear. Just filled in the neckline with a new little double strand necklace. I think she's called the Alley. And then love this little slide by Dolce Vita. Another just great way to kind of elevate it. You could also take it back to those Birkenstocks I showed you, but just a fun day, maybe outside of the resort, kicking it around town. And then I want to show you just a quick shift back to the white denim, and you've got another out to dinner look. Okay, so same top layers, right? We've got this Maya Tank, we've got this Harriet Isles wrap, throw back on that cut Stella boot that I showed you for date night. I put back on the little stacked heel in the Dolce Vita slide, and there I am. I have dinner number 2, easy peasy packing. So just a quick little recap. This is 3 pieces that I have on, right? These 3 pieces, so 6 pieces, takes you to 2 different day looks, 2 different night looks, throw in a couple accessories, and you've got a long weekend, easy peasy packing. So just a reminder, you know, the heroes of this, the white denim, the midi dress, great little date night top. This is the one from Sanctuary. Update your denim jacket. This is the Rowan Paige, and you are set. It's getting busy out here. I think you guys want to escape too. Go on a little vacay. Can't wait to join you as you're packing your suitcase. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.